Hello students, welcome to English World. Learn better by best experience. This is Seman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sarda Vihar Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 5th, that is the 100 dresses part 1. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Lesson number 5th, the 100 dresses part 1, written by Albor Esther. Before starting lesson, we should know about the introduction of the lesson. How do we judge the people around us? By their money, wealth and possessions? Or is there something of more enduring value to look for in a person? This is a sensitive account of how a poor young girl is judged by her classmates. Brenda Petroxy is a young Polish girl who goes to school with other American children in American town. These other children see Brenda as different in many ways. Can you guess how they treat her? Here we have some key points to understand the whole lesson. This story is about Brenda Petroxy. Brenda lived in Bogenside, that is slum area, from where she had come to school. Peggy and Maddie waited for Brenda to have fun because of her funny name and funny appearance. Brenda always used to wear faded blue dress and that was not ironed properly. Brenda had 100 dresses all lined up in her closet. Maddie was poor and wore hand-me-down clothes of Peggy because her mother was maid in Peggy's house. Drawing and coloring contest was conducted for girls and boys. Jack Bagels born for boys and he had drawn motorboat, and Brenda Petroxy born for girls and she had drawn 100 dresses, all were lined up in her closet. Here I am giving you character sketch of Brenda Petroxy, and for writing character sketch we have key points. Number 1, introduction of Brenda Petroxy. Then second, she was quiet and sincere. Third, she was self-respected. Fourth, she always wore faded blue dress. And finally fifth, she was the winner of the contest. Let's come to the explanation of the lesson. Brenda Petroxy was a Polish poor young girl who came from Bogenside, a slum area. She always sat in the last seat in the corner because she came all the way from the Bogenside and her feet were usually caked with the dry mud. Children always made fun of her name and her dresses. She usually wore faded blue dress which was not ironed properly. Maggie, friend of Peggy, wanted to stop the Peggy to tease Brenda Petroxy because she always used to ask her how many dresses she has, how many shoes she has, and Brenda used to reply that she had 100 dresses, all were lined up in her closet. When she participated in painting and drawing coloring contest, she was the winner from the girls because she had drawn 100 dresses, and Jack was the winner for the boys because he had drawn motorboat. When she was called for receiving medal, she did not come. She was absent because she had moved to another big city. Because she was self-respected girl, she didn't say anything to anyone, just simply she had moved to another city. Here I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extracts. to score full marks. Finally, I am giving you question answer. Go through the questions